Hello everyone, got a new model from Xcartoys and I was triggered by the bikes. Yes, it comes with bikes. Xcartoys, very good diecast brand, makes a lot of models in 1/64 scale, mostly China related. I hope that in the future they will make some more Western cars because I think they're really, really good. Did a lot of reviews about Xcar toy models. Um, but today we're going to have a look at this one. If you want to see the other ones, don't forget to smash the like button, like, subscribe. If you haven't already, click, click, click. Thank you very much. Okay, here we have a picture of what's inside. And, ooh, I see also two figures. Hey. Here we got some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. And another picture of the truck with bicycles. Still in the plastic, so I need a knife. Where's my knife? I have more knives in here. There we go. Box package, I like that. Oh, yep. Figures, bicycles, pylon. Well, I guess you name it pylon in English. In the Netherlands, we say pion. Protected with some foam, that is really good. Bicycles are looking fantastic. It's very difficult, I think, to make bicycles in a 1/64 scale. Okay, first we're going to have a look at the truck, because I think that's the most important thing. Okay, I'm going to do it like this. Oh, yep. And the truck. A JMC KaiRui light truck. It's basically the Chinese pickup truck. Yeah, really nice. This is all made out of die-cast metal. Do I say that right? No, this is plastic. I'm wrong. Feels like metal. Okay, the cabin is made out of metal. We got side mirrors. We got a mirror here in the middle. We got windscreen wipers, lanced lights, very good rolling wheels. Also in the front, this is also made out of plastic. And we got a metal base. Mud flaps. Pretty cool. Let's have a look at the interior. Yeah, very good interior. As always, Xcartoys almost never disappoints me. Let's have a look at the figures. So here we got the figures. I think they're really well done. No paint on the faces, but I totally understand, because if you make these in a mass production, paint on the face could be a disaster. It looks, most of the time, it looks very weird. And now the figures are surprisingly good. And here are the bicycles. I'm going to show you a blue one and a yellow one. I think that's enough. Yeah, you have to be careful. No, this is not a moving part. There are no moving parts. And I show you Oh, I break it. I already broke it. See? Yeah. I broke the steering wheel. So don't make the mistake I make. You have to be careful. I can use some glue, and that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to show you everything together. Back in a sec. And here we have the complete set in a nice setup. The figure here on top of the car needs some gum under its feet, or otherwise it will fall. Looks pretty cool, right? I like it. I always like when it comes with accessories. So I'm very happy with this very nice, good quality Xcartoys set with two very good looking figures. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget to like the video. Let's trick the algorithm. Have a very good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.